Hi, my name is Chisato from TDC Corporation in Japan. I've been working for TDC for 10 years and currently I'm in charge of sales and marketing. TDC is a manufacturing company and our core competence is precise polishing service. As a small company like us, it is really challenging to expand overseas marketing channels by ourselves. But after we became a member of the IVAM, we were able to meet many clients at the exhibition where we participated as IVAM member. Some of those clients had been doing business with us for over 10 years. If it wasn't for IVAM, we wouldn't have had these opportunities. So we are really grateful for being part of IVAM. These past few years were really hard for us because we couldn't travel due to the COVID-19. But even in this hard time, they have been very supportive and letting us to stay in this community and giving us chances to introduce our potential clients. So again, we're really grateful that we are able to market our company by being part of this community. And we are thrilled to go back there to participate in exhibitions and conferences to meet IVAM members and our new potential customers. Thank you.